So welcome back to the channel. A little something different today, I guess, on the channel. With the price of eggs and everything, everyone's going chicken crazy. I turned the kids' playground set that was in my backyard that nobody used into a chicken coop. So I'll give you a little tour of the Coupe de Ville. We used like where the swings were as like the little chicken run area. We try to do it cheap. I can't remember exactly how much it costs, but I want to say like 150 bucks. We got the swing set thing for free a couple of years ago. We even got thanks Rob, my brother-in-law, for picking it up and bringing it here, because I knew that the kids were never going to use it. So I didn't think we were ever going to do anything with it, but here we are. Now we got a chicken coop out of it. So I do have to get two more pieces of this corrugated tin that's like from Menards. It's like 20 bucks or something for the roof. For now, I just got a piece of tarp over there. It actually works pretty good because it has been raining here in Wisconsin. We got like take a little tour in here. I put linoleum down, and we got two nesting boxes on that side and two boxes on this side. And this I was going to make like a food and watering box, but it might be a nesting box too. I'm not sure. Maybe we'll keep the water and food in there in the wintertime and stuff like that, because it might freeze. But for the summer, I was going to put the water and the food outside. And I'll show you how I made these. And there's some perches up there too. We put some, I don't know, 2x2s or whatever they are. Put a little window in here just because. So it's got some perches up there for them to sleep and roost. And we got our other nesting boxes. I know absolutely nothing about chickens, and I remember when I was a kid we would do chickens and stuff, but I was a kid. I don't remember really that much. Just, the horror. But yeah, this is what we did. I got some sand and some stuff we're gonna put in there. We used the leftover fence from our garden because the garden doesn't do very well. There's too many pests. They get in there. And last year, basically everything got decimated by rabbits. But yeah, I just want to show you guys what to do. You got an old swing set in your backyard the kids ain't doing nothing with. We turned it into a chicken coop. So if you think it's a good idea, I guess, hit the like button. Like I said, we're new to this, so we got some chicks. I think we got like 12 or 14. But I think 3 of them are roosters, so we're probably going to go down to 12. Or 2 of them might have to go. I don't know what the ratio is, but I'm not a chicken expert. But yeah, just wanted to give you guys a little tour of the Coupe de Ville. Thanks for watching.